Hello Hunt Chef Nation. Today we're going to talk about Bradley Smoker and Hunt Chef equally awesome wild flavor. You're not going to want to miss this one. So everybody knows Bradley Smokers have been an industry leader at the top of the wild flavor game for decades. They know what they're doing when it comes to smoking meat. They've got incredible machines, and we're going to show off this new Pro Series. So because Bradley Smokers are so diverse and awesome and capable of so many cooking methods and techniques inside that smoker, we wanted to go one more big wild flavor piece, and that's going to be my Chipotle maple venison sausage. We've got this brand new seasoning here we just came out with. We've got the applewood biscuits that we're going to smoke it over, boned out beautiful whitetail hind leg, and 20% domestic pork belly. We're going to grind this all together, case it, and put it right into Bradley with that applewood smoke. So we've got this gorgeous boned out whitetail deer hind leg. I mean, it's been in the freezer and everything, but look at the color. Super fresh. We're gonna go ahead and trim it up just a little bit more, chunk it all up, and get it ready to go in the grinder. Venison legs all trimmed up. Now it's time for this fresh pork belly. Look how gorgeous that venison is. The pork belly, we've got it all trimmed and chopped up in the bowl. The new Hunt Chef Chipotle maple sausage seasoning, good for so many things. This is such an awesome batch of sausage to cook in the Bradley. I had to enlist the help of the world's greatest 9-year-old. You ready to do this, pal?
Yeah. Awesome,
here we go. All right, that's first pass. Now we're gonna hit it again. And we're done. All right, so now we're gonna load the stuffer can with this Chipotle maple. We're gonna crank it in there, right, pal? So this is an all-natural casing, AKA pig guts. Oh yeah. Chipotle maple venison sausage, cased yesterday, allowed to bloom and set that pellicle on the outside of the casing overnight. Now it's time to get on the rack and get it into Bradley. So when we talk about Bradley Smokers, we're talking about innovation, versatility, decades of design and refinement. So what we're doing today is cooking 3 different proteins in here and bring them all out together. Now, what we're gonna do is put this maple sausage on the rack, lay it flat, spread it out, and smoke it that way. But also, talking about versatility, Bradley has this piece that goes in the top, has the hangers that you can put in your links and hang them in there. So whether it's link sausage, summer sausage, anything along those lines, you've got a couple different ways to make it great in this Bradley P10. Three at a time is the magic number. There we go. All the wild flavor. 3.5 hours at 225 degrees. We had the butterfly open all the way to let that ham cook and let the moisture escape out of the cabinet. Now, for 90 minutes additional, we're gonna put the sausage and the walleye in. We're gonna shut that damper down, keep all that smoke in there for that short, hot cook. Oh, look at that. Sausage in first. See you in 90 minutes for the taste test. Here we go. Look at that. You want to talk about wild flavor from north of the border? Bradley Smokers, Hunt Chef. Wait till we pull this stuff out of here. 7 days in the works and we're finally here. The Bradley P10 performed. Look at the color on this ham, the sausage, and that walleye exceeded every expectation I could have had. I can't wait to taste it all. Are you ready? Are your taste buds ready for this wild Bradley Smoker Hunt Chef flavor? Let's try it now. There it is, Chipotle maple venison sausage. Look how moist, only 20% pork belly. This should be illegal, it's so good. Mmm.